Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Hope you guys are doing great. To this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a professional station logo. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's business. And everything you're going to be using is shape here and some text with our Photopea tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, the first thing you have to do is to change your color to brown color. And after you change the brown color to this, you click on your plus button, then you click on shape. Then you change the shape to radius. You reduce the opacity. Then you go to your stroke and give it something 21. Good. Then you actually do something like this. Good. Then you click on this. So after that, you bring out another shape again. Click on shape. Then you place it here. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your layer, click on your layer, and then you mesh them together. So after meshing them together, you go to your erase color, then you click on this. Sorry, erase color. Can you see it? Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your plus button again, shape, then change it to 100 again. Actually do something like this. Then change the color to black color also. Then you have to put it where here, like something like P. So let's check it. Good. So you lock them together. Lock them. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click your plus button again. Click on shape. You change it to radius 100. Then change this color to this. So you can actually zoom into your work to see what you're going to do right here. So you come down here, you place it there. You duplicate this one again, then you place it under here. Then you give this one a color of green. So you change the color to green. Good. So you can actually zoom it back right now. So after you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your plus button again. Click on shape. You reduce the opacity. Then you go to your stroke. So let the stroke be like 9 or 10. Good. So you can actually make it smaller. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your plus button, bring out the shape again. Then you actually create the shape here. Good. Duplicate the shape. Put it here. Also. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to mesh them together. Make the three of them together. So after meshing them together, you go to your erase color, then you remove it. Good. So you can actually put this one here right now. Sorry. So the next thing you want to do right now is these three together, like this. Mesh them together. Everything. Mesh everything together. So after meshing them together, you now put them at the middle. So you go to your relative position and keep it at the middle. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your text, then you write IP filling station. So after you write IP filling station, you go to your font and change it to something bold font. So I'm going to choose Montestera bold, Montestera extra bold or black. Good. So I want it to be aligned with this. So you have to keep it to be aligned with this, and I want to also be aligned with this also. Good. So you have to reduce the size a little bit. Then keep it here. Just give it one again. Good. Then actually need to good. So you change the color of this. You change it to red color. Give it the red color. So after you give it red color, there's another thing you need to write here. So what is that? You click on your plus button. Then write on. Click on text. So I've written down everything before. So we replace Erica. So the next thing we're going to go right now is you go to your color. You change the color to red, and you go to your font. Then you change it to semi bold. More semi bold. Font Montestera semi bold. Good. So we have to put it here. Good. Place it here. It's clear Africa. So another thing I'm going to do right now, click on this one, then you copy it, then you write the second one. Dealer innocent engine. So you actually place it here. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out our icon. That is WhatsApp icon. So I'm going to bring it from gallery. So this is it. So this is my WhatsApp icon. So next I'm going to do is to release it a little bit. Then you can actually zoom your work, see what you're doing. So the next I'm going to write now is to click on this. Then I'm going to give it a number. You can actually give it your number or any number of your choice. Good. So I'm going to place it here right now. So I can actually zoom it back to see what I have done. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your background, then you give it transparent background. So you click on save as image, then leave it as PNG, then you go to your very eye, then click on it, then save your work. So the next place we are going right now, we are going to Photopea.com. So let's do that quick. So guys, welcome back to the video. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the business. So you click on your file, then you click on open. Then you click on files again. Then you go to where your PSD file is. So I have my PSD file in my drive. So let me check on it. So this is the PSD file I'm using. So I have to wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a little time for it to load. Just have to wait for it to load. Good. So after loading, the next thing we're going to do right now is to click on your layer. So you click on this layer here. So you click on this. So after clicking on it, you click on this, you double tap this place where they write place your logo here, you double tap it, then you click the high. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to go to your open and place, then you click on the file, then you go to your recent file that you just saved right now from Pixellab. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, you have to wait for it to load. And after loading, you have to make sure you increase the width, then place it at the middle. Good. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to go to your file, then you click on Save Smart Object. So we have to wait for it to load. Good. So after saving, after it shows you Save Smart Object updated, so you have to go to your mockup 3D and you click on it. So you have to wait for it to load. I have clicked on it. I have to wait for it to load, maybe like 30 seconds or more. It will pop up. So let's wait for it. Good. So after it has popped up, the next thing you're going to do right now is you go to your file, then you go save export as, then you click on PNG, then you click on save. So it will download. Then after it download, you go to your gallery and check it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the channel, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you are new here. I say this so may God bless you. Thank you for watching once again.